and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Dannzy, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this melody mirror by Impressions Vanity. So this is what the box looks like. And when I received it, this was already like cut open, so I don't know what happened, but yeah, that was open already. So this is the Melody 9-inch round duotone makeup mirror with Bluetooth speaker. So it's high clarity mirror with full coverage illumination, ultra bright warm to white duotone LED light, touch sensitive brightness tone adjustment, magnetic 5x mirror with a storage dock, and let's see, wireless Bluetooth speakerphone, LCD display with digital clock, USB power with rechargeable battery, ultra wide mirror tilt. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I'm not sure if I have to charge it or if it even charges. And the box is like super fancy, so this is how it looks as I opened it up. And it just has the instructions right on the front. And I think I'm gonna keep this box in case I travel with it. I know it's a pretty big mirror to travel with, but I mean it has speakers and it was pretty expensive, so I mean I might as well get all my use out of it. So yeah, this just tells you how to use it and how to charge it. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab it out carefully. Wow. So this is what it looks like. On the back it has the magnetizing mirror. So it pulls out like that. And I believe it has a magnet, it not just magnetizes to the mirror. My goodness, I can't speak. So, whoo, be just a little bit careful when you're putting it on the mirror. Ooh, I feel like that's gonna scratch it up. So, okay. And then I'm just putting it back. And it magnetizes back in, which is nice. And it has a little tab here to like pull it off so you're not having issues, especially if you have nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn her on. So this one turns it on and off. And this one gives you like the different brightness. That's cool. This one has more of like a yellow. This one has more of like a blue. And this one has more of a blue. But yeah. So it does tilt. So it's got this here to tilt back and forth, which is good. I'm hoping that it'll work for me while I'm filming videos, because I use quite a tall mirror when I'm filming. So this might be a little short, but I'll probably put it like on a box and maybe not be able to use the light on it. But other times when I'm getting ready, I like to listen to music, so that's why I got this. Yeah, so I got it for for when I do my makeup, like other days. I can listen to music and also connects my phone to it, so in case someone is calling me, I could still do my makeup and talk to them. So that's pretty cool because it's like hand-free, you know, like I can keep doing my makeup while I'm talking to somebody. So yeah, or if you like to talk to people on the phone while you're getting ready, you could just talk to them through this. So that's pretty cool. I'm guessing this is to charge it. So it comes with the little charger I happen to be sitting on. So here's the charger. Oh. So this is just to wipe off your mirror and keep it nice and clean. Just taking off all the fingerprints, which I probably already did. So that's nice. Okay, so it's 12 It's 12:04. Press and hold the E until you hear the minute indicator start blinking on the digital display. Press F to advance and repeat the correct. Press E to switch. Press E to... Oh my gosh. Where is E? Oh, okay. So right here on the box, right there, it has all the letters of what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use the instructions. Okay. So I'm gonna press and hold it. There it goes. Okay, so now press F to advance the time. So F is this plus button. So, okay, you turn it on by pressing this little Bluetooth mode. And I'm gonna see if I can connect now. How it sounds. That's so dope. Wow. And then here, right here, is where you'll charge it. Yeah, you got that. So let's see. So yeah, you guys will just have to play with it and everything. But so far, like the sound on it's really awesome, and I really like the lighting on it, which is awesome. And I like that it has like the magnetizing mirror. The only thing I'm a little worried that it's gonna get scratch up the mirror that way pretty fast. So I don't know if I'm gonna use it that way, but we'll see. Yeah. So yeah, so here it has like, I can't even freaking see, this box is so big. So it has A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then all these down here have like the letters, all the letters and what they do on the speaker. I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit more to see how it works. But like for like on my first impressions, it's so like luxurious. It's a luxurious mirror, a very luxurious mirror with a nice speaker. I'm definitely, like I said, I'm definitely gonna keep the box because I'm probably gonna travel with it. I know that's kind of like a little too much to travel with. I was actually gonna buy the traveling mirror, the vanity traveling mirror, the one that's like super thin and it folds up and stuff. I was gonna do that, but it doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels very luxurious. It feels really luxurious. So yeah, it's a very beautiful mirror. The sounds on it sounds pretty nice so far. So yeah, if you guys want, I can do like an update video. But yeah, this was a Christmas, like a kind of a late Christmas gift. So yeah. But yeah, I'm excited. And another thing is the shipping on this took forever, which is kind of annoying, but that's the only thing. So yeah, if you're gonna get it shipped to you, the shipping might be a little bit long. So I was waiting for a while, but I guess the real test will be when I use it for my makeup. So yeah. And here on the Bluetooth mode, you just like that, you turn it on.
Bluetooth mode.
So it's connecting. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some music. Is to you can go
with me by following me on all my social medias. I'm on Instagram, Facebook,
change the music,
and all the links are going to be in the description down.
You can go back and forth, or you can keep going. So this just goes up and down, changes the music. And if you want to go back to a song you liked, just do that. Also, if you hold down on this button, it's going to lower the music. And then you hold this button to turn up the volume. play. Also, this will answer and hang up on your phone call. So if there's a call coming through, you just click on it to answer, and then when you're done, click on it to shut it off. So here you got your when you're choosing your songs, backwards, forwards, and when you hold it down, it's going to turn down the volume. When you hold this down, it's going to make the volume higher. So, and this, holding this button down, will be your Bluetooth. And here's your charging port. This is where you will charge it. And this is just to fix the time, which we already did, and I had trouble with that. So earlier, usually like when you're charging something, there'll be like a little red light next to it, and then it'll turn like blue or green when it's done charging. There's none of that on this. It's right down here, this little blinking light. So the little, when I first plugged it in, there was only one. There's 2 bars. So I'm thinking that the bars will go up when it's completely charged. So yeah, that's everything on the mirror. And I did sit down and look into it, and I turned the light on and I sat down in my chair, and it's actually a perfect length for even to test out the mirror to see if it will like, if it's like the perfect length to be able to do my makeup in, and it's absolutely perfect. And I actually have it charging now, and it's charging into the mirror. So yeah, so far I'm really loving this mirror, and it's absolutely beautiful, just so stunning and so cool. The sound on it, it's just absolutely amazing. But I'm gonna stop talking. Film like an update video just in case something happens or doesn't end up working or anything like that. But yeah, I hope you guys have a beautiful day, beautiful night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next video.